Are you ready to shock the world? Are you ready to be the person who refuses to stay where they are? The athlete, the administrator, the nurse, the doctor, the student, the communicator, the pioneer, the inventor, the entrepreneur, the preacher, the person who knows they have more to offer and is willing to do what it takes to fulfill their destiny. In a world of busyness, distraction, and noise, sometimes the only way to truly change is to disappear. To take a break from just about everything and focus on yourself. Everybody wants the next level, the relationship, the higher quality of living, but nobody wants to eliminate distractions. Nobody wants to disappear for a few months and focus on just themselves. But what if you could shut out every distraction? What if you could shut up the world for just a season and focus on you? Can you unplug for just a moment and focus on what matters? Why are you here? What is your destiny? The reason why you haven't manifested your destiny, the reason why you are frustrated, is because you have not been willing to forsake all that you've been called to forsake and to follow through behind closed doors. It's time to get real, to get raw, to look ourselves in the mirror and come to the resolve that this version of ourselves is not going to carry us in the stretch. Some of the most monumental and transformational portraits and pictures that we've ever seen were developed in the darkroom. The athletes, the critical thinkers, the innovators, the actors that we praise and follow by the millions. We love what they do in public, but we don't know the story behind the glory. We don't know the blood, the sweat, the tears, the prayers that they cry, the countless weeks where they went without sleep to get where they are. If you want to fulfill your destiny, if you want to manifest, if you want to walk in discipline and determination, then it's time to disappear. Are you willing to forsake all distractions? Can you hide yourself in the library, in the gym, in the boardroom, and plan and carcass and do what's required behind the scenes in order to manifest the moment? We have this passion to be in the public eye, but no patience to do the work behind the scenes. Stop telling the world what you're about to do. Do the work in secret and then release it to the world. We only have so much real estate in our minds and hearts, so much bandwidth in our mental capacity. The more distractions, delusions, and negativity that we allow to take up real estate in our hearts and minds, the less energy we have to fulfill our call, to fulfill our destiny, to manifest our idea. So let's navigate and do an appraisal of everything that's in our life. Everything and everybody in our life has to be worth our time. It's time to disappear, to fall back into the dark room, and focus on you. And when you come out, all eyes will be on you, and you'll shock the world. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for the key to success, then you won't want to miss the video at the top. It's packed with valuable insights and practical tips that can help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. And if you're serious about succeeding, then you won't want to leave without